Hi, thank you so much for logging into our virtual presentation of our NavAir sponsored Phase 2 SBIR for WNVS2, a wide field of view digital night vision system for helicopter pilots. My name is Mike Brown, and I'm the president of Vision Products LLC. Vision Products LLC was spun out of SA Photonics in December of 2021. During this presentation, I will talk about the development of the WNVS2 system and how it can help helicopter pilots increase situational awareness at night. SA Photonics was started in 2002 by 3 engineers and was bootstrapped using SBIR funding. When Vision Products split off as a separate company in December 2021, we maintained the same engineering staff and group that designed this head-mounted display. We are located in Los Gatos, California, and we consist of an engineering and production team that are focused on developing hardware to field for the military. The picture down below shows a number of different head-mounted displays developed during the history of the Vision Products Group. These head-mounted displays consists of both night vision head-mounted displays like the HRNVS and also a variety of virtual and augmented reality displays in varying fields of view from 62-degree diagonal to 147-degree diagonal, providing the utmost in situational awareness. Flying rotorcraft is a very challenging activity. Navy pilots need increased situational awareness, especially at night in degraded visual environments. The Navy desired a system that would provide a large field of view and the ability to see at night without having to change operation from the same head-mounted display that's used during the daytime. SA Photonics invented the WNVS2 system to provide that capability of 24/7 operation with no need to change hardware between day mode and night mode. This system uses the most advanced digital night vision sensors available in the world today, along with the highest resolution OLED microdisplays. Currently, most Navy pilots utilize ANVIS night vision goggles to provide nighttime imagery. These goggles were invented in the 1970s and provide only a 40-degree circular field of view. For daytime operation, a separate set of hardware is required to provide imagery and symbology to the pilot. This system requires pilots to carry 2 sets of hardware, one for day and one for night operation, and it also limits pilots' ability to operate at dusk and dawn and the transitions from daytime to nighttime. Our system provides 24/7 operation with a single set of hardware, so pilots don't need to carry extra or unnecessary gear. The basis of our system utilizes digital night vision sensors, which provide a number of advantages over traditional night vision goggles, which are analog. These advantages include the ability to enhance imagery, to make it sharper, to make it emphasize contrast, and to allow overlaying of color symbology, and even the ability for pilots to record imagery and also offboard that imagery to teammates so they can also see what the pilot saw. None of these are possible with conventional night vision goggle systems. SA Photonics Vision Products Group developed the idea for the first day-night digital head-mounted displays for rotorcraft pilots in 2011 and delivered the first prototype of that system to NavAir in 2016. This system, called WNVS, is shown at the right of this slide and consisted of 3 integrated digital night vision sensors that are fed into 2 transparent augmented reality eyepieces that were high resolution. NavAir liked the system, but requested that we increase both the resolution and field of view of it. This was not possible at that time. However, new developments in both digital night vision sensors and OLED displays have made it possible to deliver a system with an increased vertical field of view and an increased resolution of both the sensor and the display. Next generation of this system, called WNVS2, is shown on the right-hand side of the slide. In WNVS2, we're incorporating a next-generation digital night vision sensor that has 2K by 2K pixels, and we're incorporating an Imagine OLED display that also has 2K by 2K pixels. We increased the field of view of the eyepiece, and we reduced the size of the video electronics and mounted them on the back of the head to help counterbalance the weight of the system. Both the Innovac sensor and the Imagine display were developed in conjunction with NavAir funding. There are a number of advantages of the WNVS2 system over the initial WNVS prototype delivered to NavAir. The vertical field of view has been increased to 40 degrees. We've eliminated the keystone errors seen in the previous system. We've reduced the see-through distortion of the eyepiece. There is now a selectable convergence distance that can be adjusted by the user. We now provide the capability of overlaying externally generated symbology on top of the night vision imagery that comes from the night vision sensors. We've implemented the full suite of image processing capabilities present in the ICE-19 sensor. We've migrated to higher resolution sensors and displays. And we've increased the system update rate from 60 Hz to 90 Hz to reduce any motion blur. The WNVS2 program started in January of 2020, and the period of performance will end in July of 2022. The target for this program is to design and build a wide field of view night vision system operating at 90 Hz with an external color overlay. We've completed the design of this system and have ordered almost all of the parts. We have begun integrating parts for the system, but we will need additional funding to complete the project and demonstrate it to NavAir. Beginning of the WNVS2 SBIR program, Vision Products have had outstanding support and interest from NavAir and an alternate system to enhance the development of the EVA program. The key technology being developed for WNVS2 can be leveraged for both rotary wing and fixed wing aircraft for the Navy, Army, and Air Force, and will provide pilots with a system that has the ultimate in performance, field of view, and resolution for night vision systems, compatibility with head tracking systems, and providing a full color display for symbology and video overlay over a very wide field of view. This is especially important in degraded visual environments where the symbology and imagery from sensors may provide the pilot's only view of the real world when that real world is compromised by dust, smoke, sand, fog, or other degraded environments. The small electronic footprint of the WNVS2 system means it could be installed in almost any aircraft easily. Vision Products is looking for a number of different partners for the transition of the WNVS2 system. We're looking for customers that have familiarity with aircraft integration of systems like WNVS2. We're looking for additional customers besides NavAir who may be interested in a digital day-night head-mounted display system. And we're also interested in vendors who may be able to provide sensors and displays with improvements over current systems, including sensors with lower power, higher refresh rate, greater sensitivity and low light levels, and displays that have higher resolution and higher brightness. The likely path forward for WNVS2 is to secure additional funding for upgrades to WNVS2's capabilities and also to secure funding for integration into a flight test system so that we can perform both flight and ground testing on WNVS2. Spin-out of Vision Products LLC from SA Photonics and CACI. Our contact information has changed. I'm Mike Brown, the president of Vision Products LLC, and the phone number listed is my correct phone number. My email address is now m.brown at visionproducts.llc, although the email shown on this slide will still reach me. We are still located in Los Gatos on 120 Knowles Drive, and our web address is now www.visionproducts.llc. Thank you so much for your attention, and I look forward to engaging with any of you who are interested in the next generation digital day-night night vision system. Thank you.